Hey everybody, welcome to GoForGreenLiving Homestead. My name is Daniel, and I'm in the middle of my little jungle greenhouse, and today's video is going to be on Homestead bananas. I know it don't make no sense in a cooler climate like this. It's not a tropical area, but yes, you can have bananas too. So y'all stick with me as I get into this video. Alright, but first, if you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe to me. It really helps and lets me know I'm doing a good job, because I'm trying to put out good content for y'all, because I love y'all know that. But anyway, let's get to it. Homestead bananas, and yes, I have Homestead bananas now, and over the years I have learned a few tricks to growing bananas and having your own bananas, and I'm going to share them with you. Now, y'all remember the hidden surprise greenhouse, the videos I did? He taught me a lot about about growing bananas and actually getting bananas and producing bananas. So I give all kudos to him on teaching me how to grow bananas and what to do and what to look for. Now, I grow bananas in pots right now, and I move, they stay in this little greenhouse and they do just fine. I don't really heat the inside of this greenhouse, but it stays pretty warm with the aquaponics and that kind of stuff. The water holds temperature. There's only a few nights that I even worried about it last year, and that was, it got down in the teens, and it got burned back. It got burned back because of the flash burn. Flash burn is where it freezes through the plastic. No matter if you're heating in here, there's a certain distance it's going to burn no matter what you do. Alright, so, but here's the good thing, and you might ask, why would I want to grow bananas when bananas are so cheap in the supermarket? Okay, what if you couldn't go to the supermarket one day? It might happen. What if the truck stopped running? What if the boat stopped carrying bananas here? What if something happened? You have your own bananas. And believe me, and when I tell you this, they are the best tasting bananas you've ever had. Is your own grown bananas. And that's the truth. Alright, now, I grow Orinoco cooking bananas and Williams hybrid. Now, I have bananas on my Williams hybrid right now, and so you can see here there's actually bananas. I did not realize they were blooming when they were, and the pup from last year was in the way of the bloom, and it got in the way, and it caused a little bit of damage on the bananas. So I'm only going to get about one hand's worth of bananas this year. That's okay though, because me and Anna will enjoy every one of them, I promise you that. Alright, now, here is the secret to growing bananas. Now, you grow a banana it's the age of it. It's going to have bananas at a certain age. It's going to put out bananas. If you put it in and make it dormant, and it's just going to take that much longer. So the point is, try to keep it alive and you will have bananas. Okay, now I get a pup, and these hybrids, they only put out one pup a year, and a pup is a baby. Now that baby in 2 years to me will give bananas. Once I let it grow, and here's another pup from last year that you can see is growing up pretty big, and it's doing wonderful. So it'll give me bananas next year. And I also have the Orinoco cooking banana in this 5-gallon bucket. I need to, before next year, I need to get it into a bigger container so that it will give me bananas next year. So, and actually I'm going to add on to this little greenhouse and go all the way across the house and build a rocket mass on it, and and have a little rocket mass thing there. Now, if I'm going to be building a rocket mass before winter time, so probably about the end of September. If any of y'all interested in learning how to, coming to a workshop to learn how to build rocket mass, get in touch with me, because the classes fill up quick, and I'm only going to take about 20 people, and because it's just over that, it's just too hard to be able to teach everybody everything you need. But anyway, back to the bananas. All right, now from the pup to bananas in 2 years it takes me, because of the temperatures outside. Now in your temperatures, I don't know your temperatures, but even if you're up north, it might take 3 years. So you might need to grow 2 pups and just keep it in a cycle. Just keep them cycling through and keep them, you know, keep them growing, and then you'll get bananas every year. It just, you know, it might take you 3 years but to get started, but then every year after that you'll just have bananas. Now once this banana plant has finished with those bananas, it's going to die. It's dead. It's useless. You know, it's not going to give any more bananas. It is going to die off. I don't know why they do that. It just does. But that's okay, because I have the pup from last year, which is going to grow all through the winter, and then in the early spring it'll start bananas. It takes about 6 months from start to finish to once the bananas bloom till the bananas are finished. It takes about 6 months for them to grow out. So once they start, then you got 6 months to wait. But believe me, they are excellent and well worth the wait. So I would encourage every one of you to get you some bananas and start trying them. I have some other bananas, some red bananas and stuff like that. So it'll be 2 years before I get them going. But that would be excellent when they do, because I'll have them. And with me adding on to the greenhouse, I'm going to put a raised bed where the bananas will live in their own raised bed, and they'll just stay there, along with a couple of citrus trees I have. I have a grapefruit and a tangerine, you know. So, and they need to go in the ground. Of course, the rocket mass is going to go through there, and it's going to heat that raised bed also. So it's going to be a rocket mass like you've never seen before. And I have some people, some other engineer like-minded people that are helping me design this. You know, it's not just me. It's a group effort, and we're all going to do it together. Even if you're up north, even if you're in Canada, I say you can have bananas. It just might take you a little longer, but you might need to take them in the house, let them grow in the house, but you can have bananas. And it's super exciting when you look down and say, oh, I've got bananas. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you take this to heart and try bananas, because they are worth it. Alright guys, I love you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ani Obe Ocha means I love you in Hebrew. Later guys.